When we got the frame outside, so we'll give it a good cleaning with the pressure washer, get all the loose crap off of it, and see if we can get it cleaned up a little bit. I prefer to clean up the parts as we go along so that when it comes time to put the project back together, the parts are clean and ready to go on. So here we have a seat cushion that's sort of filthy dirty, been sitting for a while. And over here we have one that we've scrubbed the best we can, and it looks like it's going to be usable. One thing you can see is that somebody somewhere along the line piled something on the seat. It laid there so long it left a mark in the material. So what we're going to do is take our heat gun and see if we can warm that material up a little bit and get those marks out of there. Well, the heat gun was taking a while, so we're going to try something new here. We got this steam machine. We'll see if that steam will help get those marks out of there. Well, it's a little better, but we still have marks. You know, I'm betting that once somebody's fat butt sits in that seat for a while, those marks will be gone forever. But it does look a lot better. Well, what we're going to do now is make some sawdust. We have these interesting pieces of wood that go in the back of the MG to supported lid that goes over the rear end housing. And we're going to try to make these ourselves. Now, to be fair, you can go online and buy these things for probably $25, $30 for this piece. But we don't have a lot of money here in the backyard, and we have lots of time. So we're going to try to make this ourselves. We've got a piece of red oak. It's supposed to be 2x2, but like everything else you buy, it's really 1.5 by 1.5 inches. So what we've done to the first one already is whittled it down to 1 3/8 inches by 1 3/8 inches to get it down to the size of the original piece. And we've done one side. We're going to do the other side here in the Chinese milling machine, and then we'll once we get it down to size, we'll go ahead and cut the notch in it and trim it down and try to make it look like what we want. So we'll get started here in a minute. That may be a little too healthy of a cut for the first cut, so we'll back up a little bit. Well, the next step is to machine a step in the side of this piece of wood, and we've already done that on the first one. We get in there. This one we've also drilled the holes in. Kind of see that step in there, and we'll get in there and get moving.